In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an announcement channel in Discord. An announcement channel is great for broadcasting important updates to your community. Unlike a regular text channel, announcement channels can be followed by other servers, so your posts can be published out to those servers' own channels. Before we start, make sure you're in the server where you want this channel and that you have permission to manage channels. If you don't, you won't see the options we're about to use. Go ahead and open Discord and enter the server where you want the announcement channel. You'll see your channel list on the left. Channels are often organized into categories, which look like collapsible headers. Decide which category the new channel should live under. This helps members find it quickly later. Hover your mouse over that category and click the plus icon that appears. This is the shortcut to create a new channel inside that category. If you don't see a plus, you might not have the required permissions, or the category could be locked down by an admin. A Create Channel window will pop up. Here, choose Announcement as the channel type. This is what gives the channel its special publishing features and the distinctive megaphone icon. If you don't see the announcement option, it may be unavailable on your server, depending on its settings or features. That's okay. Just know that the option only appears where it's supported. Next, give your channel a clear, concise name. Common choices are announcements, news, or updates. Keep it short and easy to recognize so members know exactly what it's for. Discord will add the hashtag automatically, so you only need to type the name itself. Consistent naming helps keep your server organized, especially if you have multiple regional or project-based announcement channels. When you're happy with the name, click Create Channel. Discord will add it to the category you selected, and you'll see it appear in your channel list with the megaphone icon. That's it. The channel is ready. From here, you can start posting important updates, release notes, event reminders, or server-wide notices. Members with the necessary permissions can publish posts to following servers, which is the key advantage of using an announcement channel. A quick tip: keep your announcement posts clear and formatted for quick reading. Use concise headings, include relevant links, and avoid clutter so your message stands out. With your new announcement channel in place, your server is set up for clean, reliable communication whenever it matters most.